Yeah, the hiccups. That's a good thing. Oh.
Look at the hiccups, baby girl.
She's wide awake.
Oh, what, baby, you had hiccups?
Oh, your parents are gonna flip when they see her wide awake.
Say, what is